Create once, sell forever with AI. Welcome to Digital Cash Empire. Want to create passive income? Digital products are the way to go. And with AI, you don't need to be an expert coder or designer. Here's how to create sellable digital assets in days, not months. Step 1. Choose a problem to solve. Start with a niche or question people are always searching for. Fitness, finance, mindset, AI tools. Pick a problem you can solve with simple information. Step 2. Use AI to write your content. Use ChatGPT to help you outline your ebook or course. Prompt it like, create a course outline on starting an Etsy shop with AI tools. Then expand each section with your input. Step 3. Design with zero design skills. Use Canva to create a beautiful ebook or slide deck. Or Notion to make a clean course dashboard. Drag, drop, and publish. Templates make it easy. Step 4. Package and host it. Upload your ebook to Gumroad. Host your course on Teachable or Podia. Want to build an app? Use tools like Softr or Glide. No coding required. Step 5. Promote with AI content. Promote your product with AI too. Use ChatGPT to write sales emails and social media posts. Use Pictory to create reels or shorts. Turn content into traffic. Now you have a digital product empire. You just created a digital product using AI. Repeat this process and build a full catalog. More assets equals more passive income. Subscribe for more AI passive income systems. Follow Digital Cash Empire for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Let's build your AI-powered income stream.